Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Try Turkeys. My name is Anuj Rana and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you share a post on Facebook and how can you tag your friends in that post. And before I start this video, I would like to tell you that I'll be giving you a demonstration over here on my Android phone. You need to follow those instructions. So please carefully watch the video, do not skip and watch it till end. So let's go ahead and start the video now. So first thing you need to do is let me open my Facebook application for you. There you go. Now over here, once the application is open, the first thing you get over here, you can see your profile icon over here. After that, there is a green icon, cards looking like icon. You need to tap on that. After tapping on that, the Facebook automatically will open your gallery. That will be from your Android phone. Now over here, you can select the picture, whichever picture you want. Okay, let me select a picture for you. Let's say this one, the lady riding a scooter. Yeah, this looks good. After that, it will give you the options for the different filters. However, if you'd like to put any filters over here of your choice, maybe you can select from here because I don't want any kind of filter. So let's put it off. And after there, you will see some icons on the bottom. Now you see a second figure over here. You need to tap on that. This icon will actually give you multiple options from where you can tag your friends. So it will open your friend list. So you can select the friends whom you would like to tag. Let me open a friend for myself. All right, let's say this one because this is just a demonstration. So I don't want to disturb all of my friends over here. Let me select this friend, Shivani Anuj. Yeah. So as I can see over here, Anuj with Shivani Anuj, that's my wife. So it's already there. Now you just need to tap on the post button. Now it will give you an option if you'd like to share the same post on Instagram also. Because it's a demonstration, I don't want to share it on Instagram, so I'll press not now. However, if you want to share it on your Instagram also parallelly, so you can tap on the first option. So I'll press not now and boom, the job is done. Your post has been sent and your friend, whomsoever friends you have selected, they're already tagged in this post. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.